Hi guys, so I just wanted to get like a before picture of my couch before I painted it. So I don't know if it's gonna pick up on some of the stuff, but like that yucky thing. Let me zoom out. Can I zoom out? No, I can't. So that it's just like getting ratty and tatty and like definitely needs a revamp. So like that right there, this is where I set majority of the time, so I don't know, I need to like, it's like slouching, but yeah, it definitely needs something new. And I love chalk paint, so y'all, I think I'm gonna do it. Like, I think I'm gonna do it. Oh my god, this is freaking me out. But like, it definitely is needing, like, you know, something. So I did a little swatch. This is nothing like, it would be like nothing that, it wouldn't be the finished product, that's for sure. But I think I'm gonna do it, y'all. So let's get one more before. Let's do before, y'all. I hope the lighting's good enough. And I'll be back with the after. Oh, and I'll obviously get the image. Hey guys, so one of the reasons why I wanted to do this tutorial is because I couldn't find anything on it on YouTube or Pinterest or anything. Like, I found maybe like one or two posts about it. So I figured, what the heck, you know, this couch is basically seen its better days. Why not chalk paint it? So right now I'm wiping it down with the alcohol base. This is the first coat. As you can see, it's still wet a little bit, but yeah, I'm liking it a lot. Ooh, that's still wet too. Once I get to sand it, because it is still kind of like, I wouldn't say soft, but the main thing I did was, here's the chalk paint. But I took my chalk paint and I watered it down. I watered it down probably, I want to say maybe 30 to 50%, especially like in the, you know, I'm like winging it, y'all. We'll just see how it turns out. Like, I'm really hoping. I'm hoping for the best, but no expectations. You know what I mean? Like, if it works out, great. If it doesn't, that's okay too, because, you know, I have a 6-year-old and he's not the most, how do I put this, eloquent. He's messy. So yeah, we're gonna do this. I'm gonna get a couple more good coats on there. I'm gonna definitely water down all of them. The less is more. Less is more. I don't want to get thick coats on here at all. Like, see down at the bottom, you can kind of see, like, you see it's like it's super thin. I'm trying to do super thin. But yeah, I just want to check in with y'all and showing y'all what I'm doing, what my progress is, what is going on. I'm kind of excited about this, y'all. I feel like it's like revamping it. I do need to get some sandpaper though, because what I was reading said like 600 grit, and I had like maybe 100. Like, I don't even know what 600 grit is. Probably like the touch of a baby's bottom. I don't even know. But yeah, I will check back in with y'all later. Okay, y'all, so I am, like, I would say halfway done. I've gotten all of this painted 2 times and sanded, and it actually feels really smooth. All of this is painted. Yeah. And then this is painted, like you can see. Like, here's a not painted spot, here's a painted spot. And then I've got to paint. That's only been painted one time and sanded. This has been painted 2 times. I know I'm going to have to go over it at least 1, if not 2 more times. But it is looking good, y'all. I think it's going to turn out really, really, really nice. Oh my gosh. I wish that y'all could see, like, it is way, like, I'm beyond stunned by this. I mean, I thought it was gonna be good, but this exceeds my expectations. Like, you have no idea. Like, it's so soft. I gotta wax it, but I mean, it's all done, all of it. I did about, I'm gonna say 3 coats, like, on this right here, and I watered those down by about probably 35 to 40% water. And then, like, on, like, the back, I made that a little thicker. And, well, I'm gonna say I did 4 coats on this, and then on the back I did 3 good coats. Like, let me see. And the only thing that was, like, I mean, I did it really, really, you just have to do really thin coats. And then I sanded in between each coat. But, like, I wish y'all could feel how soft this is. Like, if it stays the way it is, which I think the wax will help it, I am loving it. And, like, we can't even see that. Yes, it is so nice. So, let's go. Yeah, so, chalk paint. I used chalk paint. I just used a regular bristle paintbrush. I did 2 coats right down here, and I already waxed this. So can you see? If there's not I don't even think there's really a difference. I need to. Oh no. Anyways, yeah. So it turned out wonderful. Way, way, way better than I thought. Yep. See, I did regular bristle brush. I took the chalk paint and I diluted it by like 30 to 40%. It was very, very watery, but it still did coverage. Actually, I can show it to you. Like, do y'all see that? And then I just painted it on. And then I did like let's say like four good coats on here. This one I could actually use like another coat. I could actually probably do another coat on this one. This one's good. Yeah, I'm so happy with it. Here's the finished product. Isn't it beautiful? So I ended up doing 2 coats of wax and sanding in between. So it does need, I just put this on here for decoration. I'm going to take it back off. It does need 24 hours to cure. So I don't think I'm going to sit on it for 24 hours just so it can get nice and, you know, cured. But yeah, I just wanted to show y'all the finished product. Let's go around. But like, you know, there's that. I mean, it's like a brand new couch. I can't believe I couldn't find any tutorials on this. Like, this is genius. I mean, I found 1 tutorial. That's what made me do it. I'm like, this is gotta work, because I love chalk paint. Like, oh, I'm so happy with it, y'all. Like, it's the best. So anyways, yeah, I just wanted to show y'all the finished product. So yeah, thank you for tuning in, and make sure you hit the like and subscribe button because I will be coming back to y'all with more videos like this, and I'm going to do some review videos. I have a couple planner video. I don't know. It's just going to be like my lifestyle channel. But thank y'all so much. Yeah, make sure you subscribe. Bye.